Meet ecobee Switch Plus, the light switch with Amazon Alexa built in, so you can turn the lights on and off with your voice, your phone, or when you enter or exit a room. Ask to help avoid traffic jams, order more jam, even pump up the jam.
Okay, pumping up the jam.
Switch on smarter lighting and say hello to voice control in every room. With ecobee Switch Plus, turning on the lights is just the beginning.
How to connect a Hue light with dimmer switch to the bridge. For this installation, we'll use a dimmer switch in the Philips Hue app. When you have a light that's already paired with a switch, adding it to your app is a little different than adding a lamp. Let's get started. Open the Philips Hue app and go to Settings. Then select Accessory Setup. Press the plus icon to add an accessory and then select Hue Dimmer Switch. Choose option 2 for a dimmer switch that has already been paired with lights. Press the small button on the back of the switch to activate pairing mode, which pairs your switch with the app. When the switch is discovered, it will search for the lights connected to your switch. Once you've tapped Done, you can assign the dimmer switch to work with the room you select here. You can even name and control your dimmer switch inside the Philips Hue app. Now you can rename and configure your dimmer switch with your app. Hue Personal Wireless Lighting. Innovation in you. Philips.
Introducing the SwitchBot. Now you can control any switch remotely from your smartphone, smartwatch, or the internet. Turning on your bedside lamp has never been so easy. Get your morning coffee self-served. Never miss your favorite TV show. Remotely turn on or off your computer whenever you need it. Feed your lovely pet while you're away at the touch of a smartphone button. With the SwitchBot, everything is done using one single, simple click. Enjoy more time curled up in bed and let the SwitchBot do your busy work. SwitchBot is equipped with a 3M VHB tape. Just tape it and you're done. No additional tools required. The SwitchBot works with your smartphone or your smartwatch. No need to worry about multiple bots. Our smartphone app can handle every bot at once. Thanks to our patent-pending design, the SwitchBot can relay commands to multiple bots, even when your smartphone is out of Bluetooth range. SwitchHub, it enables the SwitchBot to connect with the internet. No hassle, no mess, for greater convenience and streamlined functionality. It takes one switch to do everything and make your life that much easier. SwitchBot supports any IFTTT event that gives you freedom to set your own custom rules. Get complete wireless control of all your outlets and switches. The SwitchBot is always at your service. Keep everything under your own control with the SwitchBot and make your life that much easier, better, smarter.